And representing Fatal Influence from Alabama, Lane E. Reed.
Just look at the swagger on display. I love it.
Swagger? Really, Saxton? You know a number of people in the back just despise this superstar.
Well, the WWE Universe clearly disagrees with you, Corey.
Oh, and what else is new?
Determination in her eyes. She is more than ready for competition.
Jacy Jayne, a superstar with a rock star attitude.
And representing Fatal Influence from Tampa, Florida, Jacy Jayne.
Jacy is willing to do what's necessary and ready to be savage if she has to.
If she has to, she's usually in a hurry. Here comes an in-your-face superstar, Fallon Henley.
And representing
I know one thing about Falls Count Anywhere matches. These superstars have a habit of finding useful weapons.
Oh, get ready. She knows exactly what she's doing with this.
He's firing off shots to the side and escapes.
Beautiful body scissors into a cover. Wow. She's able to kick out before the refs count. She came here to fight, not lay down.
Oh, no, the official just got caught in a bad position. They want to control the tempo. They want to dictate.
The thing about a Falls Count Anywhere match is that you need to be aware of your surroundings. In this match, things could end at any time, in any place. Being acutely aware of that could keep you in this thing.
Yeah, there are definitely no breaks at the concession stand.
Good attempt here.
Easily kicks out of that one. Too soon for a cover.
Connected on that.
No other way to say it, guys. That looked like it hurt a lot.
Right to the spine.
A shot like that to the ego can really shake you up mentally.
Perched up top. But now here's Stark. And she's making her way to the top rope here. Taking flight. She powers out immediately there.
Wow.
DeVille looking for the high-risk move. Looking for something, anything under the ring.
That didn't look good at all. A ringside doctor's on hand if needed.
That's not right. I see how it is. Going to take any shortcut to buy.
Can she score the pin? A kick out before the referee can get to one.
She's not going quietly into the good night here, making things very interesting.
Elbow to the leg, and look at this, just attacking the knee. Action now right here in front of us.
Guys, we may need to move soon.
Somehow she'll do it. Taking a flight to nowhere.
That right there was a pack.
Time for her to go home.
No, wait a minute.
And the referee stops the count before two.
Doesn't go well if you still can't get more than a 1 count by now.
Sliding in under the rope. She's back in the ring. Reversal on DeVille.
Clearly had a strategy going on there with the attention on the leg.
Ooh, well measured.
You know what she's thinking. She can end it all here.
Slingshot.
Clothesline. What a way to get countered. Getting back to her feet, but maybe only for a moment.
Sky high.
Meanwhile, here's Fallon. Will this be enough? Not so fast.
Oh, nice takedown.
making their appreciation for these gladiators.
Using the ropes as a launching pad.
Oh, the top rope, springboard crossbody.
No sign of hesitation, and that risk gained big rewards.
Wearing off his desk. What could be the thought process here?
I don't think it's anything good.
I don't know if there's anything I can watch.
She countered that into her own offense.
Based dragging straight from it.
That's it. Rolls through, and she's free. To the face. What a redirect. Several reversals. Neither superstar able to penetrate their opponent's defense.
Army's grapevine. Trying to step through. Here it comes.
Tequila, son.
Oh, really target back on the knee. And she's able to roll back on her spine and get out of it.
Into a ripcord lariat.
Hurricane Rana.
Unbelievable athleticism. That maneuver goes to show you how much speed kills.
Shows great wherewithal there.
In the corner now. She doesn't want to stay there.
Now positioned out of the top rope. From the top rope.
Oh, it just got ripped right.
My heavens. We just saw a human split in half.
Oh, that hurt right to the kidney.
Golly. Oh, man, inverted backbreaker.
Ow.
It's incredible, the inventiveness we are seeing on display here.
My God, what a striking display.
Oh, great wherewithal there.
The admiration for these superstars is echoing throughout this arena right now. She's able. Bad spot for the Queen of...
And look at this now. Bad intentions coming with his hold. Breaks the submission, and they're still in this. But meanwhile, Jane. Oh, she could be looking for a submission move here.
He's firing off shots. Inverted facelock. Look at elbow drop.
Stealing from the enemy. What a surprise.
Two. Oh, she kicked out.
Just had a taste of her own medicine. Survived it, but she doesn't want another dose.
The best shot was thrown, but it couldn't put this match away. No surprise that what we're witnessing is trending.
Forget trending on social media. On the top rope.
Crashing to the floor.
The high risk just resulted in a big splat.
Back suplex.
That's it. Zoe just ended things.
Cover here. And now we see Stark. She still fights out in one.
Where is she finding the strength?
This is unreal. Throws her back in from ringside. Baszler.
Cinched in. This one's over. This one's over.
All the leverage. Let's go. She just released the hold.
Maybe she has something better in mind. What do you say? I mean, this is amazing. Can you believe this?
I love it. Look at the heart.
Famous her.
Hazardous situation for Shayna.
Looking to explore things ringside now. Zoe Stark. C360 connects.
That's it. Zoe just ended things.
And she fights it off.
She just dug down deep there, but I don't know if she'll be able to do it again.
Cover! Our official got caught in the line of fire. She fights her shoulder up before one.
I was shocked that she kicked out.
You and I both, Byron. Scaling the turnbuckle here. Sky high.
Good Lord. Taking flight.
The airtime, the fearlessness. What a ridiculous maneuver to the outside. Ooh, slows that down with a well-placed kick. Oh, man.
Counter from Stark. Oh, gets blasted into the steel steps. And Fallon continues to persevere through the pain.
Henry's been an initiator throughout and remains one here.
She's looking to go top rope here.
Taking flight.
Oh, God, terrible landing on the outside.
A terribly risky move, and it did not pay off.
Icarus could have done it better.
She's rummaging around under the ring here.
WWE Universe wants tables. Well, they've got tables.
And she re-enters the ring. Looking for a little bit of high now. Lift off. She covers for the pin. Breaks the count.
What? What? What do you say? This is amazing.
What a match. Reversal on DeVille. Drop kick from behind.
Attacking the leg there. Into a ripcord lariat.
That should do it right there.
There it is, making sure her team stays in this one.
Oh, man, meeting the barricade.
And the wear and tear keeps mounting on Sonya.
Not the place for Sonya to be right now. She has to turn it around. Looks like she's going to shake it off, but she needs to make sure to protect her head back.
She's got it. Got her shoulders down. Just escapes defeat. And we have Sonya Deville. From way up, all the way down to the floor.
Taking flight only to find...
This is troublesome for DeVille.
And she breaks the count, saving her partner. Closer moment, and there's a good blow to the body.
Oh, man, right into the steel steps.
So much disdain with each of these shoulders down.
With Z360. Stark stepping an end to this.
2 count. Just like that, her night was cut short, and Fallon Henley must now say goodbye. Taking things back into the ring.
Slips away just in time.
Perched up top. Buster connects. She's getting that table right where she wants it.
She clearly has something in mind.
She got the shoulders down. And that's it. This competitor has launched into a roundhouse kick. Up goes Sonya.
Up. High.
But now here's Sonya.
Oh, what a knee.
JC chain catch with a boot.
Making the save. Still alive here. Shayna Baszler.
Uh-oh. Oh, boy.
German suplex released. Oh, strong impact. Will it be? Pin attempt broken up, but now we see Stark.
Oh, God. Oof, a direct headshot. Just sickening.
And a well-executed move we just saw there.
Look out.
Launched into a German suplex. Carefully measured knee drop.
Oh, Sonya has her. Oh, getting smacked in the head with a chair.
Oh, man. Oh, my gosh.
Bang!
Jane out of there in a hurry.
Now we see Sonya Deville. A quick reversal from her.
Boom.
What a shot. Straight brutality coming right at you.
What is Baszler looking to do here? Trapping. Oh.
Ooh, break your finger.
He gets around the attack. Uh-oh, watch out!
Ah, they Russian leg sweep.
Times 2.
And her head continues to be the focus here.
It's got to be affecting her equilibrium.
Oh my goodness, nasty line.
Oh, come on. Why would you stoop that low? Boom! Backdrop suplex.
On a high angle, right across the shoulders.
Catches the kick. And her head is really taking a ton of punishment.
Maybe too much punishment. Things might be getting a little unsafe here.
Brought back into the ring from the floor now. Making way towards the top rope. Stomping. Ouch.
Getting to her feet here. Stumbling into the rock.
To the sky. Turns that away.
Sonya Deville rolls through into the triangle armbar.
She's broken up the hold. Strong kick.
Oh, toss across.
Right into a drop. The elbow to the arm. She's taking things to the floor here.
Man, a little extra luster behind that kick.
Mounting their downed opponent and firing off a series of blows.
Oh no, are they setting the table on fire? This is too damn far. Blows right to the body.
It's 2-on-1.